Welcome to 8 Kinross. Whether it's an investment property or a condominium that you're looking for in the city, we have one with deeded parking. As you can see, the condominium has a spacious living room with tall ceilings and lots of windows. The updated kitchen has a dishwasher and gas cooking. The 2-bedroom windows overlook the balcony of the unit, and it has a generous sized closet. And here's access out to that balcony. Don't forget that this condominium comes with deeded parking. We're in the Brighton neighborhood of the city of Boston, and if you have any questions about this home or any other home on the market, contact me. I'm John Lynch with Dwell 360 Real Estate.